Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing a decor video. So if you're somebody who likes to decorate their place and is always looking for ways to spruce up your favorite cozy corner in the house, then I think you're gonna love this video. Yes, I'm basically using this old bag of mine. This was from Steve Madden. So when I got this was for around 3,000 bucks, but this was 5 years back. Now as you can see, the sling has started to come off and other stuff. So I'm basically sprucing up my bag as well. So I'm going to try and turn this into a flower vase and like a really cute hanging flower vase for a wall. Apart from a bag, you will also need some flowers. So here are some. Now I'm going to be using these, but the point is that I did not buy them like these did not come together. They're all separate, and we're going to try and make some sense out of these. So let's get started. So I have a lot of this one lying around, so I'm going to use this to kind of fill in. If you don't have spare, then you can always just fill in some newspaper or something. So kind of making a false space with this. How cute is this? Next, we're going to just take this on a wall. How cute is this?